Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign out your wallet in Ton Wallet application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Ton Wallet application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, select the wallet which you want to sign out from this application. After that, click on the settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down to the bottom of this page and you can see sign out and your wallet name. Click on the button. After that, click on the small box here. Now click on sign out button. After that, you will be signed out from your wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.